Welcome to One Canal Road, the first of its kind residential icon in Lahore, crafted by the world-leading designers and experts. One Canal Road is set to offer the ultimate in luxury living. From the moment you step inside, you'll be immersed in a world of sophistication and style. From the thoughtfully designed floor plans to the premium finishes and fixtures, every inch of the building has been carefully considered to create an unrivaled living experience. We are excited to share that we have completed the construction of apartments up to the 6th floor, level 8. During the month of February, we have covered a total of 145,448 square feet in construction, pouring 7,249 cubic meters of concrete and consuming 1,012 tons of steel. We have also completed the partitions for level 3 and level 4 apartments, and we are now working on level 5 apartments. In the last month alone, we have installed formwork covering a total area of 242,307 square feet to create the complex concrete structures. Our dedicated construction crew is working tirelessly to ensure that this project is completed on schedule, and we are excited to see it come to life. Stay tuned for more updates on our progress.
One Canal Road, Lahore. Living redefined. A project by DR Homes.